I'm Rich Crawford. I've run IGS as President and CEO since 2009. In my role, I think a lot about how to take IGS to the next level to help us realize our global vision of becoming the leading, most valued provider of on-site surface solutions in the world.
Hi, my name is Jon Camp. I'm the Managing Director of TubeTech Industrial Limited. I've worked hard to introduce a culture of innovation, customer service and respect within TubeTech. And of course that is paying dividends with regard to our position in the market and the feedback that we're receiving from our clients.
TubeTech is the leading global robotic specialty cleaning company focused on mission-critical high-temperature equipment. They take a novel approach to solving customer issues. They focus on high-impact applications, provide exceptional service, incredible return on investment for clients, and provide just a very safe on-site solution. And it's a perfect fit for IGS because we as well think about solving our customers' most pressing needs, help them get more out of their existing equipment, and sort of all with the theme of more for less.
Becoming an IGS solution is a great step forward for TubeTech. We will be part of a well-respected and global brand, which brings a wealth of benefits to our business, our employees, and of course, our clients.
IGS has over 1,000 clients that each and every one have meaningful challenges with respect to fouling and scaling of their equipment. Oftentimes, inefficiencies associated with dirty equipment is hidden, and there's unlocked savings that we want to help them realize.
Combining our products, expertise and services, our clients will have seamless access to the most innovative and effective solutions in the market.
One of the first principles is that we want to ensure that every reason why a customer does work with TubeTech continues with IGS. We also intend to invest meaningfully into their R&D capabilities, technical business development staff, and operational scalability. IGS has personnel in over 15 countries and over 500 personnel that work full-time for us, delivering solutions for clients. And we anticipate leveraging that meaningfully for globally growing TubeTech and IGS together in partnership. When you spend time with the TubeTech team, you realize what a great cultural fit they are with the IGS team. Both companies take a very passionate approach to solving client needs. We love the work we do, we love to solve client needs, and we have huge aspirations for where these two companies can go together in the future.